Scotland stares, Charlotte grins, each woman bathing in their sins. This war of attrition seemingly begins, sadists steeped in tacks and pins. It's as if it were required destiny, the women clash in bloody necessity, an endless war of hardcore ecstasy, violence so cruel, filled with intensity. Back and forth, one-upping each other, chairs barbed wire giving scarlet color, till one crucified and left to suffer. But just the midpoint, more will be rougher. Oh, Mockingbird, what did you do? Thought it was over, but blood did accrue. Your echo hung her from a cross and sealed your fate in crimson gloss. She never forgot, but no need to forgive. She always harbors hate, lust, it's how she lives. She puts you through hell, an unrelenting sieve, a heartless mind, agony hers to give. The conflict grows hotter and soon echo bodies on the canvas lay strewn, and the bird degloved under moon, wrapped in Burchfield's gore cocoon. Oh, Charlie B, what did you create? Thought it was over, but revenge is innate. You took Scotland's jacketed flesh, sealed your fate, bitterness refreshed. Circle of viciousness, infinite loop. One is defeated, retreats to regroup. Back to the front line, the loss to recoup. Victory is brief, like a con it will do. These two women forever in a group. Oh, Mockingbird, what did you do? Thought it was over, but blood did accrue. Oh, Charlie B, what did you create? Thought it was over, but revenge is innate. Scotland stares, Charlotte grins, each woman bathing in their sins. This war of attrition seemingly begins, yet in truth commences again and again. Oh, Mockingbird, what did you do? Thought it was over, but blood did accrue. Oh, Charlie B, what did you create? Thought it was over, but revenge is innate.